Alright, so what is up YouTube? So today I will be doing a tutorial on a shadow fade combover. So shadow fade combover, it'll be my first YouTube tutorial video. So if you guys like it, like, subscribe, comment, and I'll hopefully after this video, if it's not that bad, then I'll try to do my best to come out with more YouTube videos, more tutorial videos for us to watch. So anyways, let's just get to the video. Alright, so as you guys can see, I'm about to start out with my wall magic clips all the way closed. So close is when the lever is all the way up, and then open is when the lever is all the way down. So in this case, it will be closed with no guard on, and like I said, this will be a shadow fade. So I will not be balling him out at all. So all I'm doing here is just using it and making it my first guideline, starting from the bottom all the way to like about halfway above where his temple area is at. So that's where I'll be starting, and I would just be dropping it down a little bit behind at the back of his head. I would drop it down just a little bit, kind of like a drop fade, but it's not a drop fade. So I'm just dropping it so I'll have more area at the back of his head to fade up into. So when I get to the the crown area of the head, I don't go up too high.
They know who we are. Started up and on that boulevard. Now we them boys. I just wanna ride around the city in foreign cars. I just wanna show my mom I did it. Your boy star. I ain't get no sleep last night. Man, I'm trying to get the bad life. Hit the city with my headlights off and my grind mode on, thinking who I'm about to rob right now. I've been sipping on that rose, body dripping like that cocaine. Say that you don't really know me.
Alright, so right here I have on my number 2 guard. It's going to be all the way open. I'm just debulking down the side of his head so I can know what I'm cutting into. So when I'm debulking here, I'm not digging into the side of his head. I'm just going to go straight up, go all the way straight up, because if I go in, it's going to throw off the whole haircut. So as you guys can see, this will be the biggest guard that I will be fading up into. So I'm just going to have it all the way open. I'm just going to debulk the side of his head.
I prefer my city and I do it too well. Better leave me where I stand, cause there's no room in there. Only thing overrated was to say that we failed. Now you'll probably find your girl at my private hotel.
Then for right here, I will be opening up my lever all the way open with no guard on, and I'll be going up about I'll say about like inch and a half, probably inch and a half, if I remember well. I'm going up like an inch and a half. Some people, they just go up an inch just to have that fading space. For me, I like to go up about like an inch and a half, not on every haircut, but some haircuts, just so I could have enough space to fade. Like I said, fade back into the fade. Just my perspective. So you guys can do it however you guys want. This is how I like to do it, and I'll just do it,
Dripping like that cocaine. Say that you don't really know me. Say that you don't really know me.
And then right here, I just switch right over to I just put the lever down, and I just kind of knock out that bottom line that we created earlier in the beginning. So you're just basically playing with the lever up and down until you get that line out. Just remember that as you go higher, you open it up more. So you put the lever down more as you go up more, just so you can take out the bottom line.
I'm flexing without a reason, had to flash the rollie just in case they don't believe it. Got a couple close homies, I'm riding until to the D, and I've been living my life every day, feel like the weekend. Now we celebrating for the fact that we made it. I had to cop a new Beamer just to match the Mercedes, and then my ex-girl tripping, man, these bitches get crazy. I remember way back before I got a little famous, remember days, man. I'm sleeping up on the floor, now I hit the club, tell the waiters bring some more. All these bitches see the money, gotten sweating on the pole. All my brothers got my back on that ready, set, go. And I ain't spreading no violence, just wanna see my baby sister make it through college. Just wanna see my grandma and my sister.
And then right here I have on my one guard all the way open, and I'm just fading out the top part all the way to the guard that we used earlier, which was the number 2 guard all the way open. So as this one will be the one guard all the way open. You're not completely fading it out, but then you just pretty much doing the next step. So you're kind of fading the hair up to that, and then we'll come back and take out that bottom line with the one guard close.
On the road with me, get the dough with me, walk up in the stove with me. I get you anything you want, and fuck all of them bitches. Gotta learn to let them go. Say my life been on the road, man. I ain't never home, man.
So right here we have the one guard all the way closed, and we're just gonna soften up that line right there. It's not gonna completely take it out, so we're gonna have to come back with a half guard, which is the 1/16 guard or the 0 guard for the purple magnetic guard, for the Anders purple magnetic guard. And that will basically, that 0 or half guard will basically be the bottom finishing, will be the last guard that we use to finish the whole fade. So in this part right here, we're just going to be using the one guard just to soften up, closing the one guard just to soften up the bottom line.
Say I'm down with the set. Say I'm down with the set. Say I'm down with the set, yeah, yeah. Say I'm down with the set. 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 If the money is a problem, then I'm finding a solution. Started from the bottom, they slanging and prostituting. Fronted a couple P's, waiting for the retribution. Man, I started with my team. Now this shit feel like a movement, and it's crazy.
And then right here is the 1/16 guard, the lowest guard that I said earlier. And we're just gonna open and close, kind of open and close it just to finish up that touch, flick out the bottom line, and probably do some detailed work with it if we have to. And this will be the last finishing guard that we use for this cut.
Say she down for the set, yeah, yeah. Say she down for the set. Say she down for the set. No, she down for the set. No, she down for the set, yeah, yeah.
Then right here we have the 1.5 guard, which the wall guard only have, and we'll open it all the way up, and then we'll just kind of fade from the 1 open earlier into the 2 open. So it'll be pretty much between, like I'll be pretty much like the 2 closed, pretty much. And then right here I'm just gonna do a clipper over comb just to knock out any hair that's hanging from the side of his head. I was never taught how to do this, so pretty much this is all self-taught. I'm just guessing that you hold the comb at a straight up, just depending on how you're cutting it. As for me, I'm holding it straight up, and I'm just gonna knock off any hair that's hanging over the side of his head on both sides. And then right here, I just have on the 2 guard all the way closed. I'm just gonna go over the area of his head just to make sure that the haircut is perfect and is not all messy. And then right here, we're going to line him up. So I'm using the Andis T outliner without the T liner blade on it. I switched out the blade just because I just liked this blade a little bit better. But as you can see, I'm just gonna line him up. I'm not gonna try my best. I'm gonna try my best to make sure that I don't push the hairline back. This client, I've been cutting him for a long time already, so I kind of already knew what he wanted. So if you was ever going to push a client's hairline back, make sure that he knows, or make sure that that's what he wants first. So don't ever just push the hairline back just because you feel like it, just because you want to make it better. Make sure you always ask the client first and see what they want.
Breezy Beats Production.
And then right here, I'm just gonna do some shear work on the top of his head. I was never taught how to do it. I just learned it just by trial and error. So I don't really know how to teach you guys how to do this part. All I know is just make sure that everything is even and make sure you cross-check it and everything, just to make sure that it has potential on top, somewhat. Alright y'all, so this is at the end of the video. This is the final cut. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Sorry that my audio is kind of bad because I don't have a good mic, but I do hope you guys enjoy. Thank you very much.